is going on, people? My name is Wes. I like to make videos that help people sometime. And today, I'm going to make a quick video because I took some pre-workout. I wasn't expecting to make this, but as ADD goes, let's get fucking impulsive. So this is going to be briefly about how to make yourself eat on Adderall, or at least how I do it. I include some tips. Hopefully it helps. Jumping in, first thing, prepare your fucking meals. You don't have to meal prep. It helps out a lot if you do, but set meals up so you at least know what you're having for the day. It's a lot easier if you know what you're eating for the week, or at least 5 out of the 7 days out of the week. That's what I do. So set your meals up, know what you're going to eat. It just makes it a lot easier. Plus, when you're on Adderall, you're already very task-oriented and focused, and it kind of helps if you know what you're going to eat because you can just attack it and get after it. Next, make sure that you have food that you like. A lot of these, or some of these tips might be kind of obvious, like that one, but for real, whatever your favorite meals are, just start off with those. Like, I really rotate between like 4 and 5 different meal preps, and they're just my favorite fucking kinds of foods that I like to eat. So make it easy for yourself, set yourself up to win. That's really the best way to go about this. Don't make it harder than it has to be. You're already fighting against not having an appetite on Adderall, so make it easy for yourself. Eat food that you like. This includes snacks, also meals, and, milkshakes, smoothies, things like that. Always helps. After that, I've noticed my mouth gets really dry whenever I'm on Adderall. Words in my fucking mouth. But, yeah, you want to stay away from dry food for sure. And again, this kind of goes with the dry mouth. If, for example, this week I'm going to be making burritos. So when I do make them, I get sauce and sour cream. Helps take away any dryness that the tortillas might add, and also with the rice. Also, if you are cooking any meat, chicken, steak, beef, pork, whatever, do not overcook it. Because if you've ever tried reheated, overcooked chicken, it fucking blows, and it is so dry. You're not eating it. So avoid dry food. Again, this also goes with snacks. And like I said before, things like smoothies, milkshakes, a lot of drinks help. Because obviously they're fucking drinks. Helps out with the dry mouth. Kind of tagging along to that with the next thing, get some water in your life. Hydrate. So I have a cup that I bring with me everywhere, which I feel like I've talked about in every fucking video, but have a big cup that you bring with you, whether it's a water bottle, a Tervis, doesn't matter. Bring it to school, bring it to work, bring it everywhere you go. Always have some water. A lot of people bring around a gallon. You can fuck it up and do that if you want, but it's always going to help you drink or eat, I guess, if you have water. And also, if you drink 8 ounces of water 10 to 20 minutes before your meal, it's going to help stir up your digestive tract. So it makes it a little bit easier to eat. If you ever tried to drink a lot of water on an empty stomach, you know what the fuck I mean. This pre-workout. Next, I really like to watch videos whenever I eat, and there's 2 reasons. 1 is to distract myself, and 2 is mental programming. So when you're distracting yourself, I will type in Joe Rogan's podcast and set it up on my phone. I don't do it as much because I just get down a fucking rabbit hole. But Netflix, Hulu, while I eat, it's easier to distract yourself while you eat. And again, this is going on the premise that you're either trying to gain weight or you're trying to maintain it while you're on Adderall. So it is going to be a lot easier to just watch something and eat because you're not paying attention to how monotonous eating might be or to forcing yourself to eat. You're just kind of going through the motions and you're distracted. Second thing is mental programming. What I mean by that is, and I've talked about this in a couple past videos, I'll watch a video on my phone. I type in eating motivation. You guys are welcome to do it too. And I'll find videos of bodybuilders basically eating 12 cheeseburgers at a time. The reason for this is, 1, it shows me, okay, well, they're eating and I can do it too. And 2, they also give a lot of motivational tips while they eat. They say, you eat for purpose. You're not eating for pleasure. You're eating to fuel your body and to replenish the nutrients that you've lost throughout the exercise that you've done throughout the day. So it's really important when you're on Adderall. Again, you're already task-oriented and focused. So keep that in mind. You have to remember that you're eating for a purpose, and that is to fuel your body. It's very important when you're eating, when you're on Adderall, because you don't want to eat anything. So hope this helped. Those are the tips that have helped me the most. Throw some comments below if you want to know more, if you have any tips. I got a subscribe button probably somewhere up here. Give me a like if you liked it. I'll be making some more videos about making your life easier on Adderall and wellness tips. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys later.